If you've been looking in the mirror lately at your makeup, specifically your blush, and saying, oh gosh, I've been wearing it the same way for years. Is this right? Should I change? Does this even look good anymore? If you have, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Dawn with Just Doing My Best. If you're here for the first time, I'm so glad that you're here. I'm here every week with a brand new video for women over 40 and women over 50 who just want to look and feel our very best where we are right now. And today, I'm starting a brand new series on easy makeup tips for mature women, and we're going to start with our blush. So we're going to keep blush really simple today. We're not going to talk about highlighting. We're not going to talk about contouring. And I want to keep all of these videos, these easy makeup tips for mature women, very, very simple. Not 100 steps, not overcomplicated. So that's what we're going to do with blush. And the first thing I want to do when we talk about blush is I want to talk about the color that we're using. When you're picking out your blush color, I really want you to give some thought to whether or not the blush is going to marry well, is going to harmonize well with what you're wearing on your lips and wearing on your eyes. So for instance, if this is more of a brighter pink, a more fuchsia, maybe you're a darker skin tone than I am, then you want to make sure that your lips aren't too orange. Does that make sense? You want them to kind of blend well together. That's one of the mistakes that I see a lot with older women is we get so bogged down with, is this looking right? And oh, I really like this lipstick, and oh, I really like this blush, and not taking a minute to think, oh, that blush really doesn't go very well with that lip. So make sure the colors all go together and they just marry really nicely and complement each other. So the first thing to keep in mind with your blush is we're not wanting to paint on our blush. What we want is we want a flush of color to our face. Remember, not only is our face falling, but guess what else? We're losing all the color in our face. We're losing all the vibrance in our face. So what we really want to do is we really just want to bring back life to our face, bring back vibrance to our face. So don't really think about how much blush, but more think about where I'm putting it and kind of keep a less is more approach to your blush. Now, I'm going to link a couple of the brushes that I like and a couple of the blushes that I like, both in the description of this video. So go below this video in the description and you'll find a few of my favorite products. Now, here's what I want you to keep in mind. When we were younger, in our 20s and 30s, we were kind of told to either do the apples of our cheeks or the hollows of our cheeks. Here's what I want you to keep in mind is that as we get older, our face is falling. So if you do that hollows of the cheeks, when you're not smiling anymore, everything that you put there has now fallen about a half an inch to an inch. And that's gonna make you look older. So I want you to go under where all the lines are right here, at least on me, because if you get it too close to the eyes, all of that powder is going to fall right in those fine lines, making us look older. So you want to be about right here, and you want to be above the hollows of the cheeks. So all you're going to do is you're just going to apply your blush right here. Just like this. That's all you're going to do. Okay? That's it. And since our goal is not to apply blush, our goal is to add a little vibrance and a little life and a little health to our face. What I want you to do is add just a little bit more blush to your brush and just kind of even it out just a little bit, just a touch, no more than that, so that it doesn't look like you put on blush. It looks like you're healthy, you're happy, you're vibrant, and you're just full of life. So rather than just, I want you to just even it out just a little bit, just to even out that complexion and just add life and vibrance to your face. So since our skin and our face is changing, we have to change our approach to makeup as well. So just to recap, make sure that the colors that you're using of your blush are in the same color family as your lips and your eyes so that they all marry well together. Remember that wherever you put your blush, our face is falling, and so it's going to settle in a different place when we're done. So we want to kind of keep it up a little bit more than what we used to, and be sure to just even it out just a little bit and keep a less is more approach, and you will be beautiful. Be sure to catch all of the videos in this series on easy makeup tips for mature women. And if you've got ideas, don't hesitate to leave them for me in the comments. I would love to hear from you. If you found this helpful, please subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And for now, go out today and be blessed and do your best.